Hello, friends. Microsoft reported that the anti spam engine is incorrectly flagging URLs contained within other URLs as potentially malicious, which also resulted in some emails being quarantined. Some users receive false Microsoft Defender endpoint alerts for devices BIOS version. Affected users receive alerts to update their devices BIOS versions when they are already up to date. The reason behind this issue is a code bug in Microsoft Defender for endpoint logic that fetches vulnerabilities for Dell devices. The BIOS update alert is appearing on the Dell devices. Microsoft have initiated deployment of the fix to resolve the code bug, so you will have to wait for some time for the bug to be fixed. We hope that the issue will be resolved soon. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.